Hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this Angular video we learn about pipes. Pipes is used to transform data from the one form to another form. For example, using pipes we can change a string to uppercase or lowercase, or we can change also currency. Let's take one example. Open TS file. Here is one variable title mWrite value basic pipes in Angular. After that, open .html file. Remove this code. And write here h1 tag, interpolation, and name of variable title. Firstly compile this, open browser, again save this and compile. Okay, apply pipes here. Pipes. I want to convert this string to uppercase. I am right here upper case. It transforms to the uppercase. I am just simply copy this and paste here and write here lowercase. It transformed to the lowercase. Also, I am write here another variable, name is today, and its value is date. Actually, date is a function. Open HTML file. And write here h1 tag. Name of variable is today. Compile this and open browser. Okay, I am apply here pipes. because this is understand too very difficult. That's why I am write here pipe and date. Okay, I got a date. I am apply here full date. Save this and open browser. We have a full date. In this way we use pipes. These are the basic pipes. I will create another video on advanced pipe. So subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.